नमस्कार. रयत शिक्षण संस्था सातारा, रयत ऑनलाइन स्कूल एज्युकेशन, रोज प्रोजेक्ट 2021-22, subject bookkeeping and accountancy. Welcome. I am Sri Jadhav K. Junior College teacher, Now Maharashtra Vidyalaya and Junior College Pimpri Wagire, Pune 70. Topic first, Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Accounts. Part 2, Partnership Final Account. Treatment of some important items appearing in trial balance only. Trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, meaning, definition and pro forma. Effects of various adjustment and effects of related accounts and statement posting. Important points for solving problem. Treatment of some important items appearing in trial balance only. Trial balance. Definition. The list of debit and credit balances of all ledger accounts is called as trial balance. ट्रायल बॅलन्स म्हणजे डेबिट आणि क्रेडिट बॅलन्सची एकत्रित असं लेजर यादी या ट्रायल बॅलन्समध्ये डेबिट साईड आणि क्रेडिट साईडला दिलेली असते. द फायनल अकाउंट इज प्रिपेअर्ड ॲट द एंड ऑफ एव्हरी फायनान्शियल इयर. Income Tax Act 1961. The financial year starts on 1st April and ends on 31st March every year. Treatment of important items appearing in trial balance only. Treatment of some important items appearing in trial balance only. Items and single effects only. Any outstanding expenses, single effect only. Liability side of balance sheet. Next, any prepaid expenses, single effect. Asset side of balance sheet. Any outstanding income, asset side of balance sheet. Income received in advance, single effect only. Liability side of balance sheet. Depreciation, debit side of profit and loss account. Next, loss on sale of any asset, single effect. Debit side of profit and loss account. Next, goods withdrawn by partner, single effect. Debit side of capital oblique current account. Items. Next, general reserve oblique reserve fund, single effects only. Liability side of balance sheet. Deposit from public, single effect only. Liability side of balance sheet. Next, goods distributed as free sample, single effects only. Debit side of profit and loss account. Next item, suspense account. Suspense account, first, if it is on debit side, single effects only. On asset side, balance sheet asset side, show the same figure. Suspense account, second, if it is on credit side, single effects. Balance sheet liability side, show the same figure. First ledger, trading account, meaning, definition and pro forma. Meaning, trading account is a nominal account. Nominal account, rules of nominal account: debit expenses and losses, credit income and gain. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटची डेबिट साईड हे डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस दर्शवितात आणि ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साईड क्रेडिट इन्कम अँड गेन, डायरेक्ट इन्कम अँड गेन्स या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इज ओपन इन द ट्रेडिंग ऑर्गनायझेशन फॉर द पर्पज टू फाइंड आउट द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट और ग्रॉस लॉस इनकर्ड ड्युरिंग द इयर. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ओपन बिझनेसमध्ये व्यवसायामध्ये ओपन केल्यानंतर व्यवसायामध्ये ढोबळ नफा, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, ढोबळ तोटा म्हणजेच ग्रॉस लॉस किती झाला आहे ते शोधण्यासाठी ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटचा आपल्याला चांगला उपयोग होतो. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इन द डेबिट साईड ऑफ दिस अकाउंट ऑल डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटची डेबिट साईड टोटल डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस किती झाले आहे हे आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इन द क्रेडिट साईड ऑफ दिस अकाउंट ऑर डायरेक्ट इन्कम. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला डायरेक्ट इन्कम आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं. द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ऑर ग्रॉस लॉस ट्रान्सफर टू प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट. जो काही ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटला ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट और ग्रॉस लॉस होईल तो प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट और क्रेडिटला ट्रान्सफर करायचा आहे. जर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट झाला, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटमध्ये ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट झाला तर तो प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला बाय ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ब्रॉट डाऊन असं लिहावं लागेल. तर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटमध्ये जर ग्रॉस लॉस आपल्याला पाहायला मिळाला, तो भेटला ग्रॉस लॉस, तर आपल्याला ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला टू ग्रॉस लॉस ब्रॉट डाऊन असं आपल्याला लिहावं लागेल. डेफिनेशन ऑफ ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. द ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इंडिकेट्स the result of buying and selling of goods. While preparing this account, the general establishment charge are ignored and only the transaction related to goods are included. जे are important. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटमध्ये खरेदीदार आणि विक्रेतार या ट्रान्झॅक्शनमध्ये, यांच्या व्यवहारामध्ये जे काही ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटमधून जे काही नफा मिळणार आहे, जो काय व्यवसाय आपल्याला पाहायचा आहे, त्यामध्ये ह्या सर्वच्या सर्व ट्रान्झॅक्शन डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस असतील, डायरेक्ट इन्कम असतील, हे सर्व या ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटमध्ये त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड ह्या सर्वच्या सर्व ट्रान्झॅक्शन त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील. प्रोफॉर्मा ऑफ ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट फॉर द इयर एंडेड. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट साइड, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट साइड पर्टिक्युलर डेबिट अमाउंट रुपीज. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट पर्टिक्युलर क्रेडिट अमाउंट रुपीज. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट including account to opening stock, to purchase less return outward, to carriage inward, to freight, to dock charges, to custom duty, to wages, productive manager wages, to wages and salary, to import duty, to coal, coke, gas, motive power, oil, water, grace, the royalty on purchase (production), to primary packing charges, to factory lighting and heating, to factory rent and rates, to factory insurance, to works manager salary. Trading account debit side last to gross profit carried down. हा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ट्रान्सफर टू प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड बाय सेल्स लेस रिटर्न इनवर्ड, बाय गुड्स लॉस बाय फायर theft, by goods distributed as free sample, by goods lost in accident, by goods withdrawn by partners, by closing stock. Last, trading account credit side by gross loss carried down, transferred to profit and loss account debit side to gross loss brought down. Next, second ledger account, profit and loss account, meaning definition and pro forma. Meaning, profit and loss account is the types of nominal account. Profit and loss account is a main account of income statement. Profit and loss account हे एक नॉमिनल अकाउंट आहे. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट प्रमाणेच प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट हे देखील एक नॉमिनल अकाउंट आहे. नॉमिनल अकाउंटचा आपण रूल पाठीमागं पाहिला आहे की नॉमिनल अकाउंट डेबिट द एक्सपेन्सेस अँड लॉसेस, क्रेडिट इन्कम अँड गेन. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस आणि प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला इनडायरेक्ट इन्कम्स असतात. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट इज अ मेन अकाउंट ऑफ इन्कम स्टेटमेंट. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट या फायनान्शियल इयरमध्ये प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट हे इन्कम शोधण्याचं काम करतो. Net profit or net loss. It is a prepared to ascertain the net profit earned or net loss suffered by business concerned during the accounting year. फायनान्शियल इयरमध्ये, अकाउंटिंग इयरमध्ये, बिझनेसमध्ये, व्यवसायामध्ये किती प्रॉफिट झालेला आहे, किती लॉस झालेला आहे ते आपल्याला शोधण्याचं काम प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटमध्ये पाहायला मिळतं. ऑल इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस आर टू बी रेकॉर्डेड टू द डेबिट साईड, वेअर ॲज ऑल इनडायरेक्ट इन्कम आर टू बी रेकॉर्डेड टू द क्रेडिट साईड ऑफ दिस अकाउंट. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला सर्वच्या सर्व इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सॅलरी असेल, प्रिंटिंग असेल, पोस्टेज अँड स्टॅम्प असतील, हे सर्व इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला पाहायला मिळणार आहेत. तर प्रॉफिट लॉस अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला इनडायरेक्ट इन्कम आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील. इंटरेस्ट, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इंटरेस्ट रिसिवड, कमिशन रिसिवड. नेक्स्ट, द क्रेडिट बॅलन्सेस ऑफ दिस अकाउंट शो नेट प्रॉफिट विच टू बी ट्रान्सफर टू कॅपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड or added in capital. Credit balances on this account, profit and loss account, credit balance on this account show net profit which is to be transferred to capital account. जो काही प्रॉफिट असेल तो प्रॉफिट बॅलन्स शीटच्या लॅबिलिटी साईडला कॅपिटलमध्ये ॲड नेट प्रॉफिट करता or added in capital. The debit balances of this account show net loss which to be transferred to capital account debit side or deducted from capital. जर प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटमध्ये नेट लॉस झालेला असेल तर नेट लॉस हा बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये लायबिलिटी साईडला कॅपिटलमधून लेस केला जातो. नेक्स्ट, प्रोफॉर्मा ऑफ प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट फॉर द इयर एंडेड. डेबिट particular debit amount rupees, profit and loss account credit amount rupees. Profit and loss account debit side particular salary to salary and wages, to rents and rates, to insurance, to electricity oblique lighting, to telephone postage, to printing and stationery, to traveling expenses of salesmen, to depreciation on asset, to loading charges, to audit fees. Profit loss account credit side by gross profit brought down, by commission received, by discount received oblique earned, by dividend received, by rent received, by sundry miscellaneous receipt, by interest received, by profit on sale of asset. Profit loss account debit side to conveyance, to loss by fire, to entertainment expenses, to repair oblique renewals, to interest on loan, to loss by theft, to loss in accident, to goods distributed as free sample, to commission allowed oblique given, to discount allowed, to allowances, to advertisement, to carriage outward, to sale charges, to bad debts, to export duty. Profit loss account credit side net loss by net loss transfer to partners capital oblique current account. Profit and loss account debit side to taxes, to general expenses, to trade expenses, to legal charges, to professional charges, to bank charges, to secondary packing charges, to loss on sale of fixed asset, to net profit transfer to partners capital account oblique current account. Third, statement balance sheet, meaning balance sheet is a statement showing financial position of the firm on a particular day. All liability are recorded to its left hand side, whereas all assets are recorded to its right hand side. बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये डाव्या बाजूला ऑल लायबिलिटीज आणि बॅलन्स शीटच्या उजव्या बाजूला ॲसेटची नोंद या बॅलन्स शीट स्टेटमेंटमध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. बॅलन्स शीट इज अ स्टेटमेंट नॉट ॲन अकाउंट. बॅलन्स शीट हे एक स्टेटमेंट आहे, अकाउंट नाही. Definition: the balance sheet is a statement on a particular date showing on one side the trader's property and possession and on the other side the liabilities. Pro forma of balance sheet as on 31st March every year. Left hand side liabilities, right hand side asset. Liabilities, partner's capital account, partner's name A, B, partner's current account, credit balances, partner's name A, B, general reserve oblique reserve fund, provident fund, loan from partners, loan from bank, bank overdraft, sundry creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, income received in advance. Right hand side asset side, goodwill, trademarks, copyrights, freehold property, leasehold property, premises, land and building, plant and machinery, motor car, furniture and fixture, office equipment, loose tool, investment, provident fund investment, sundry debtors, stock of stationery, stock of postal stamp, bills receivable, cash in hand, cash at bank, prepaid expenses, closing stock, partners current accounts, in bracket debit balances, adjustment, serial number, adjustment, first effect, second effect, first adjustment, closing stock, first effect, balance sheet asset side, second effect, trading account credit side by closing stock. Second adjustment, outstanding expenses, first effect, add to the particular expenses on the debit side of trading oblique profit and loss account. Second effect, balance sheet liability side. Third adjustment, prepaid expenses, first effect, deduct from the particular expenses on the debit side of trading oblique profit and loss account. Second effect, balance sheet asset side, prepaid expenses. Fourth adjustment, income received in advance, in bracket pre-received income. First effect, deduct from the particular income on the credit side of profit and loss account. Second effect, balance sheet liability side, income received in advance. Next adjustment, income receivable, first effect, add to the particular income on the credit side of profit and loss account. Second effect, balance sheet asset side, income receivable. Next adjustment, interest on capital, first effect, show to the debit side profit and loss account. Second effect, partners oblique current account credit side or add to capital oblique current account. Next adjustment, depreciation, first effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account. Second effect, less from the particular asset in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, reserve for doubtful debts, new RDD. First effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account. Second effect, deduct from the sundry debtors in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, bad debts in bracket additional or new bad debts. First effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account, add to old bad debts, bracket complete. Second effect, deduct from the sundry debtors in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, reserve for discount on debtors, first effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account, bracket add to discount allowed. Second effect, deduct from the sundry debtors in balance sheet asset side, reserve for discount on debtors. Next adjustment, reserve for discount on creditors, first effect, show to the credit side of the profit and loss account, in bracket add to discount received, bracket complete. Second effect, deduct from the sundry creditors in balance sheet liability side. Next adjustment, interest on drawing, first effect, show to the credit side profit and loss account. Second effect, partners oblique current account debit side or less from capital oblique current account. Next adjustment, interest on loan taken, first effect, show to the debit side of the profit and loss account. Second effect, add to loan taken in the balance sheet liability side. Interest on investment and loan given. First effect, show to the credit side of the profit and loss account. Second effect, balance sheet asset side, interest on investment and loan given. Next adjustment, goods stolen. First effect, profit and loss account debit side. Second effect, trading account credit side. Next adjustment, goods distributed as per sample. First effect, trading account credit side by goods distributed as per sample. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side, add in advertisement. Next adjustment, goods withdrawn by partners by personal use. First effect, trading account credit side by goods withdrawn by partners for personal use. Second effect, partners capital / current account debit side. Next adjustment, unrecorded purchase. First effect, add to purchase on the debit side of trading account. Second effect, add to creditors on the liability side of balance sheet. Next adjustment, unrecorded sales. First effect, add to sales on the credit side of trading account. Second effect, add to debtors on the asset side of the balance sheet. Next adjustment, bills receivable dishonor. First effect, add to the amount of a bill dishonor to sundry debtors in the balance sheet asset side. Second effect, deduct the amount of a bill dishonor from bills receivable. And last adjustment, bills payable dishonor. First effect, add to the amount of bill dishonor to sundry creditors in the balance sheet asset side. Second effect, deduct the amount of a bill dishonor from bills payable. And last steps for solving problem. First, prepare the necessary accounts including the working notes. Second, place some marks on trial balance items for external as well as internal adjustment. Third, go through trial balance items and give only one accounting effect sequentially. Go through adjustment and give two accounting effects. Fifth, close ledger in the working notes as kept capital. 6. Find gross profit, net profit and transfer it to individual capital account. 7. Find the closing balance in capital and transfer it to balance sheet. 8. Tally the balance sheet. Thank you.